Okay, dear students, today we are going to discuss about logarithm. Logarithm, the concept is arise. Suppose 2 to the power x equal to 8 by 9. Then how will you determine x? 2 to the power x equal to 9. From here, how will you determine x? And this problem arise. Because of this problem, so a new discovery has been done, and that is called logarithm. So if I write a to the power x equal to y, suppose, or if we write a to the power n equal to m, अभी हमको n निकालना है, देन n कैन बी ऑब्टेन बाय n इक्वल टू, इसको क्या लिखते हैं, log we write here m and a is right here. This is read as log of m to the base a. So here if a to the power n equal to m, then n equal to what, log of m to the base a. So I have given, and suppose a, n and m be three real numbers, then a to the power n equal to m, where a greater than 0, a greater than 0 होना पड़ेगा. If a to the power n equal to m, then a greater than 0 and a cannot be 1. a 1 नहीं हो सकता and a should be greater than 0. Then the index n is called, the index n is called, this index n is called logarithm of m to the base a. It is expressed by the symbol, what is the symbol, n equal to log of m to the base a. So if I say suppose 2 to the power 3 equal to 8, then 3 will be what, log of 8 to the base 2. So if we write 3 to the power 4 equal to 81, then we write log of 81 to the base 3 equal to 4. Now there are two forms na, a to the power n equal to m, this is called exponential form, this is called exponential form, and n equal to log of m to the base a, this is called logarithmic form, So a to the power n equal to m, this is called exponential form, and n equal to log of m to the base a, this is called logarithmic form. Now there are some formula. Now we know that if a to the power n equal to m, then n can be written as m log of m to the base a. Conversely, if n equal to log m to the base a, then a to the power n equal to m. a हमेशा बेस में रहेगा, a हमेशा a का ऊपर ही पावर आएगा, a to the power n equal to m. तो फ्रॉम हेयर बेस a ही था, सो फ्रॉम हेयर log of m बेस a इक्वल टू n हो जाएगा. Now a to the power n equal to m is called L index form or exponential form, and n equal to log of m to the base a is called logarithmic form. If in n equal to log of m to the base a, m is always positive and m cannot be 0. m is always positive, m cannot be negative. Log of minus 6 to the power 4, these are not defined. So log of m always positive. Now if a greater than 0, a not equal to 1, then suppose log of x1 to the base a equal to log of x2 to the base a, then log cancel, we can write x1 equal to x2. Second, if x1 is greater than x2, then log of x1 is always greater than log of x2. For a less than 1, suppose a is less than 1, means a is suppose fraction 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, like this. Then log of, then suppose a is less than 1 and x1 greater than x2, then we always have log of x1 to the base a is less than log of x2 to the base a. If a is less than, greater than 0, less than 1, and x1 greater than x2, then log of x1 is less than log of x2. And converse is also true if a is less than 1 and x1 is less than x2, then log of x1 to the base a is greater than log of x2 to the base a. Now if the base is 10, log of m to the base a, this is called common logarithm. Log of m to the base e, here e is, this is called natural logarithm. Here the value of e is 2.71828. The value of e is 2.71828. So if the base of the logarithm is 10, this is called common logarithm. If the base of the logarithm is e, then this is called Neperian logarithm or natural logarithm. Now there are some formula. Log of 1 base a equal to 0. Log of 1 base a is always 0. This can be proved by we have a to the power 0 equal to 1. Taking log, what shall we get? Log of 1 base a equal to 0. Second, log of 1 to the base a equal to 1. Log of same. Log of a to the power a to the base a equal to 1. Now we have a to the power 1 equal to a. So taking log, what shall we get? A to the base a equal to log of a to the base a equal to 1. Log of mn to the base a equal to log of m base a plus log of n base a. Then log of m by n to the base a equal to log of m base a minus log of n base a. Log of m to the power n to the base a equal to n log of m to the base a. Log of b to the base c can be written as log of b to the base a divided by log of c to the base a. Log of a to the base b can be written as 1 by log of b to the base a. उल्टा सकता है. If we have log of a to the power a to the base b, we can write it as, if we write 1 by, then it will become log of b to the base a. Then again one more formula, a to the power log of x base a equal to always x. So if I write 2 to the power, if we write 2 to the power log of 3 base 2, this base and this power is same, so it will become 3. Log of a to the power x to the base b to the power y, then x will come outside, y will outside, it will become x by y log of a to the base b. Log of 1 by m to the base a equal to minus log of m to the base a, and log of a base b into log of b base a, b cancel, it will become log of a base a, and this is equal to 1. So log of a to the base b, if we write log of suppose 2 to the base 3 into log of 3 to the base 2, this is always equal to 1. Now there are some problem from exercise 3.3.1. Find the value of the following. Log of 6 to the base 6. Log of 6 to the power 6 will be 1 because we have log of a to the base a equal to 1. Then log of 0.1. Log of 0.1 can be written as 1 by 10 to the base 10. And this is equal to log of 1 to the base 10 minus log of 10 to the base 10. Log of 1 is 0 minus 1, so equal to minus 1. Log of 10 to the base 100. Log of 10 to the base 100 can be written as log of 10 100. Log of 10 means 10 to the power 1, 100 means 10 square. So 1 by 2 will come, this 1 will come outside, 2 will come outside, 1 by 2. Log of 10 to the base 10. And 10 to the base 10 equal to 1, so half into 1 equal to half. Log of 0.008 by root 5. Log of 0.008 can be 8 by 10,000, 8 by 1000. After cancellation 1 by 125. So 1 by 125 equal to 1 by 5 cube. 1 by a to the power n equal to a to the power minus n. So 1 by 5 cube will be 5 to the power minus 3. Then in the base, root over 5 means 5 to the power half. So here this minus 3 will go this side, half will go this side. Log of 5 base 5 to the base 5. Log of 5 to the base 5 to the base 5 equal to 1. This 2 will go outside, minus 3 into 2 into 1, so it will become minus 6. Similarly, in question number 10, you see 2 to the power minus 1 by 3 log of 64 to the base 2. This minus 3 will become power 64 to the power 1 by 3 base 2. Then log of 64 means 4 cube into minus 1 by 3 to the base 2. 3 cancel. So 2 to the power log of 4 to the power minus 1 to the base 3. And we have the formula a to the power log of x base a equal to a. So it will become 4 to the power minus 1. 4 to the power minus 1 equal to 1 by 4. Next, find the value of x. Given log of x to the base 2 equal to 3. So from here x equal to what? 2 cube equal to 8. Log of 16 to the base x equal to 2. So x square equal to, we have 16. So x square equal to x equal to root over 16. So this is equal to 4. Similarly, next one also done like that. Log of 1728 to the base 2 root 3 equal to x. Then 2 root 3 to the power x equal to 1728. Then divide 1728 by 2. 864 again 432 216 108 like this. So we have 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 3. 2 to the power 6 we can write is root 3 to the power 6. Ultimately we can write is 2 root 3 to the power 6. So that is why I am writing here 2 root 3 to the power x equal to 2 root 3 to the power 6. 2 root 3 cancel. So x equal to 6. Next one, the base is same and this is plus sign. So root 6 into root 2 by root 3. Root 6 into root 2 by root 3. Root 6 can be written as root 2 into root 3 into root 2 by root 3. And root 3 cancel. Root 2 into root 2 will be 2. Log of 2 base 2 equal to 1. Number 3, log of 3 to the base 2 equal to p. The log of, we have to find log of 27 to the base 8. So log of 27 to the base 8, we can write is 27 can be written as 3 cube. This is 2 cube. 3 by 3. Log of 3 base 2. This is 1. Log of 3 base 2 is given p. So this is equal to p. Similarly, next one 81. Log of 81 to the base 4. Same. 81 means 4. 3 to the power 4. 16 means 2 to the power 4. So 4 by 4 log of 3 to the base 2. Log of 3 to the power base equal to p. So 1 into p. Then prove that a to the power log of b to the base x equal to b to the power log of a base x. So let a to the power log of b base x equal to k. Now taking log both side. If you take log here, log a to the power b log b base x log of k. This log of b to b base x will come outside. Log of b base x into log of a base b. Then we have this b cancel. Log of a base x equal to log of k to the base b. From here, if raising the power b, with b to the power log of a base x, we have written here b to the power log of k base b. Then it will become b to the power log of a base x, and this become k. And k is we already taken. B to the power log of a base x equal to, this will be a to the power log of b base x. Hence proved. 5 to given log of b to the base a into log of c to the power base a equal to x. We have to find the values of x. B means root over b square, c means root over c square, a means root over a square. So this 2 will come outside, this 2 will come outside, this 2 will go outside. So 2 into 2 will become 8. Log of b to the b root b base root a into log of root c base root b into log of root a base root c. Then b cancel, root b cancel, log of root c base root a into log of root a base root c. Root a cancel, log 8 into log of root c base root c. And same. So this is equal to 1. Therefore x equal to 8 into 1, 8. Next one is similar. It is 512. 512 means 2 3 1 9. 9 will come this side. The log of 3, log of 2 base 2 1. So log of 3 into 9 into 1, log of 9. 9 means again 3 square. This 2 will come outside. 2 log 3 base 3. Log of 3 base 3 is 1. So log of 2. Ultimately will become log of 2 to the base 2. So this is equal to 1 equal to RHS. This is also same. Now question number 6b. Log of 7 log of 16 by 15 plus 5 log of 25 by 24 plus 3 log of 81 by 80. Here base is not mentioned means there is base is automatically 10. If the base is not mentioned, then by default it is always 10. So 7 into log 16 minus log 15 plus 5 into log 25 minus log 24 plus 3 into log 81 minus log 80. Then 16 means 2 to the power 4 minus log of 3 into 5 plus 25 means log of 5 square minus log of 24 means 2 cube into 3. 81 means 3 to the power 4. 81 means 3 to the power 4 and 80 means 2 to the power 4 into 5. Then separate them. This will become 4 log 2. 4 will become 4 log 2 plus minus 3 log 3 minus 3 log 3 minus 5 log 5 plus 5 into 2 log 5 minus 3 log 2 minus 3 log 3 3 log 3 into 4 log 3 minus 4 log 2 minus log 5. Then multiply 7 4s are 28 log 2 minus 7 log 3 minus 7 log 5. 5 2s are 10 log 5. 5 3s are 15 log 2 minus 5 log 3 plus 3 4s are 12 log 3 minus 3 4s are 12 log 2 minus 3 log 5. Then you arrange the log 2 first. This 28 log 2 minus 15 log 2 minus 12 log 2, then minus 7 log 5 minus 5 log 3 plus 12 log 3 minus 7 log 5 plus log 5 minus 3 log 5. This is 28 minus 27 log 2 minus 12 log 3 plus 12 log 3 minus 10 log 5 plus 10 log 5. This becomes 0 to log 2. So log 2 is the right hand side. Similarly, you see the others, you will understand. Thank you, children.